What's totally awesome kit reviews.
This is not a Ferrari. It's not even remotely fast. In fact, if you sneezed while driving it, you'd probably break the sound barrier before the car did. But what it is a BMW Isetta. And Revell have decided that, for its 70th birthday, it deserves a model kit. Originally released back in 2016, this 1/16th scale kit is now back as an anniversary edition, and you get a delightful little book inside telling the bizarre story of this tiny bubble car. And I do mean tiny. Look at it. It's less a car, more a crash helmet with wheels. Inside the box, you get sprues. Lots of sprues. At first glance, it looks like someone melted down a dishwasher, poured it into a waffle iron, and called it a day. But actually, it's all beautifully molded. The body panels are crisp, the tiny details are razor sharp, and there's almost no flash at all, which is frankly shocking because most of the time, sprues look like they've been chewed up by a dog and spat back into the box. Then there's the chrome sprue. Normally, chrome parts on a kit look like jewelry you'd find in a Christmas cracker. But not here. These actually shine. And the clear parts? They're, well, actually clear. You can see through them as though Revell accidentally borrowed real glass from BMW, which, compared to the cloudy milk bottle plastic you sometimes get, is a revelation. Even the wheels are good. Normally, you end up with tires that look like they've been carved out of a licorice bootlace, but these ones actually resemble wheels. Properly molded tread, neat little details. You almost don't want to paint them, because they look that convincing straight off the sprue. And here's the thing. There are a lot of parts, yes, but not the sort of parts where you're left thinking, where on earth does this little bent paperclip go? Everything is laid out sensibly. Each sprue makes sense. It's organized, which means you don't end up rummaging through the pile like a starving raccoon, searching for the one piece that looks like a teaspoon. The instructions, meanwhile, are very German. Logical, precise, color-coded, and absolutely idiot-proof. If you follow them step by step, you'll get a car at the end of it. If you don't, you'll get a mutant soap dish on wheels. But even then, the fit is so good that it's genuinely difficult to get it wrong. For once, Revell has created a manual that doesn't feel like it's testing your sanity. And the build itself? Smooth. Everything just slots together with a satisfying click. You don't spend 3 evenings filing, sanding, and muttering profanities at badly aligned panels. No. It actually feels like Revell wanted you to have fun, which, in this hobby, is about as rare as a reliable Alfa Romeo. By the time you're finished, you don't have some monstrous war machine or a hypercar that screams for attention. You've got this, a cute little bubble car that makes you grin. It's not aggressive, it's not intimidating, it's a teapot on wheels. And I love it. So there you have it. The Revell BMW Isetta 1/16th anniversary kit. Superb moldings, shockingly good sprues, clear instructions, a bonus history book, and a build that doesn't end in tears. Quirky, charming, and a model of possibly the only car that makes a Fiat 500 look like a limousine.
Be a